With Stella 3.6, we've made it possible to open up text files as models. Largely, this is a convenience to make it somewhat easier to bring in data from a data source where you don't have all the variables built into your model. So let me just give a few examples of doing this. The first file here just has yearly data on different agricultural measurements. Second file has data that we've organized a little bit more to show the array nature of it. And this is something that's converted over from this form and then saved out as a text file. The opening models will only work with text and CSV files. And the third one is just a list of variable names. Again, it's a text file. So let me open the first of these. So under model types, we can say data files, and now I'm going to open up agricultural output. It gives me a message. It puts a bunch of new variables in the model because those didn't exist before. And if I change the time axis from 1948 to 2021 and run the model, I am able then to look at the results for the different variables that are measured here. Let me next, I'll close this, not save it. I'm going to open up the next file in that list, which was by state. This case, there's only one variable, but it's arrayed by state. If I were to put this into a graph with a question mark, change the time axis to run from 1960 to 2004, run the model. I can see that, and I could also then put down a selector for the dimension, which is just going to be called dimension 1. I put this over here. We can then just use that to go through and see the output for all the different states that there are. And finally, the last example I wanted to give was a very simple one where I've just got a bunch of variable names in a file, and I want to bring those in. I just get this message, they're missing, but now I have my variable names in one place. And this is just an easy way to, if you have variable names in a listing or something, to bring them into, and then probably copy and paste them into another model. So that's some of the different ways that you can use text importing from text files. If you have module qualified names, it will actually create the modules and put those down in the diagram for you.